So what's up everyone? Welcome back to your channel, Brighter Life Institute. I am Alicia. Today I want to talk about the Silicon Valley Bank that collapsed yesterday. Before the bank collapsed, the bank valuation showed to be worth $275 billion. Sound familiar with another name that we had in 2008, a Lehman brother. One day before Lehman collapsed, their valuation were 68 billion. For us to wake up the next morning, for it to be minus big zero. I recently made some video regarding the bank, the German bank, the online banking of N26 bank located in Berlin. This bank, N26, been closing client accounts about no warning, apparently since 2017. It's possible that they've been doing that for some time, even before that time. The media, the government, and the police are not really discussing the issue. And for those of you that try to report it to the authority and the police, you have discovered they've been laughing at your face, thinking, well, a bank is not going to steal your money. But here, what coming is a big bank in United States, the Silicon Valley Bank, just collapsed. And yes, they were showing they had 275 billions in their book. By now today, they are zero, and customers are lining up outside, worry about their money. The bigger joke of all is they've been told that they'll be able to get at least maximum 250,000 of their money. But some customer had like 1 million to 10 million or more in their bank accounts with that bank. For some of you that experienced the issue with N26, where the bank just closed your account, they refuse to talk to you, they're not answering phone calls, emails, nothing, and the only way some of you get your money back is to get a lawyer to bring that to court for you to get your money. And some of you have experienced it, when you finally got your money, the bank N26 did not return all your money, and now you have to continue battling to try to get the rest of your money from them and some compensation for the inconvenience that they're causing to you, because nobody can just take your money in this time, leaving you with no money to pay your bills, pay your rent, and leaving you incapable to live when you have money in a bank. But yes, it's happening. It's happening, and not all the media are talking about it. Today, we are talking about this collapse of this Silicon Valley Bank. And come with the question, is how money in the bank safe? Between the bank that showed that they had 275 billion that just collapsed from nowhere with no warning, and those banks like N26, the online banking that close people's account, don't return their money and don't explain until they get taken in the front of a judge. is to wonder what the hell is going on, and can we have the confidence, all of us, to leave our money in the bank. To be honest with you guys, I've been working in the banking sector for many years, and I really trusted the system. I did leave the collapse of Lehman Brothers in 2008. It was the first time in 2008 that I lost a job, because many of us in the banking sector, and not just in the banking sector, in every sector, lost their job. I thought with the Basel I, Basel II, Basel III, and the regulation around the banking sector that this will not happen again, and there is a safety for the customer out there. But when I look with the issue, example with the bank N26, and looking what their regulator, the German banking regulator, the BaFin, are doing about those people, thousands of people all around Europe reporting that their accounts just get closed down by this bank, and looking what the authority are doing, it doesn't make you feel safe to keep all your money in the bank. So my advice today to you guys is, it seems like we should not put all our money in the bank. If the bank guarantee, if there's a failure, 100,000 of your money will be refunded to you and is guaranteed, then maybe we should leave 100,000 in the bank if that's all is guaranteed, and not leaving millions and millions in the bank account that the bank can close tomorrow, and there were no warning about the Silicon Valley situation or Lehman Brothers, or no warning for the bank N26 that just closed people's account about not explaining to them, about not keeping communication, and when they return the money to people, there's some money missing. So it will be wrong for me to not advise some of you. If you have a lot of money, maybe keep it in different bank, and don't put all your money in the bank if the bank is unreliable. If all the bank can guarantee if there's a collapse is 100,000 or 250,000, something is happening again in the banking sector. It doesn't surprise me too much, because we still have some toxic, asset out there, especially with Deutsche Bank and other banks. Banks are all related to each other, so doesn't give us much security of certain behavior of those banks and what's going on in there. And we all have bills to pay. We have things that we need to do with our money, and some of us did not get this money for free. Doing a bank run is not that bad if you know that the bank is doing a running with your money, isn't it? So guys, that's the little video I wanted to make today. Hearing about this news about this Silicon Valley bank going down, it's not bringing much safety to us. And me bringing the news to you about the N26 bank situation also do not make us feel very confident to keep all our money in the bank. So I hope you will consider this advice, because usually when one big bank fall, it never fall alone, and all banks are connected to each other. So we haven't heard yet of another troubled bank, but usually the bank never fall alone. They take other people with them, not just your money with them, but other sector and the other bank also get affected with this. So guys, that is the message I wanted to share with you today. I am Alicia. This is your channel, Brighter Life Institute. Comment on the comment section what you think about the situation where the Silicon Valley and the bank are our money safe to be in the bank. Subscribe to the channel, and I thank you so much to have watched this video today. Bye!